Myself, Dr.P.Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Technology, Dr. lSNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about software process model. Before that, I explained in last video, I explained what is software engineering, what is the purpose of using software engineering. So this model gives the idea about how the software process model works. Software process model in the software engineering. So, introduction. A software process model is a structured approach to software development, defining task, activity, and deliverables. It consists of structured like approaches. That is, each and every one has to follow the stages, different phases for executing the project. Importance of the process model and examples of the popular model we are going to see about. So these are the some of the steps comes under the software process development model. So first one is called as planning. So the communication between customer and the developer can be done. So the customer may request to product or developing the process. It may be a product or process, they have to follow certain steps. First one is planning. Before starting the product or process, we have to make a plan and document it. Second level, we have to analyze all the documents. Analyzing in sense, they have to analyze all the documents, all the requirement from the customer. Then they have to develop the models. Third thing, they have to make a designing. Designing in sense, they have to create a design for developing the software process model. Then fourth one, implementation. After designing, we have to choose a language for executing the particular process. That part is called as an implementation. Next thing, testing. Testing means we have to test each and every module to become an error free. So each time we have to conclude that the it need that is the given module will satisfy the customer needs. Like that, we have to make a test without error. Next one is maintenance. After testing, we have to maintain the document in a proper manner. We have to make a document clearly, then only customer can easily understand and developer also easily understand the given process. Next one, waterfall model. It is also called as a linear sequential model. It can be accessed in the sequential manner. Requirement. First one is, second one is designing. Third one is implementation. Fourth one is testing. Fifth one is deployment. And sixth one is maintenance. So pros and cons is that. So it is a simple and well structured model. But disadvantages means inflexible. No feedback frequently get from the customer, because if they collect the information once, they cannot change or edit the given process. At last only they will analyze whether the customer will satisfy the needs or not. So it make more cost while changing the process in between, so they won't accept the changes. Next, incremental model, building software incrementally through the iterations. So this is one of the important model. Incremental name itself, we can identify that it automatically increment during the process. Advantages: fast delivery, user feedback incorporation, then best suited for project evolving with its small requirements. The next one is called as an iterative model. Focus on repeated refinement of the product. It benefits risk reduction, adaptability, limitation. It may require more than one resources. So it's less. This is very suitable for less projects. Next model is called as a spiral model. Combines iterative development with risk assessment. Phasing here is planning, analyzing, engineering, and evaluating the process. Best suited for high risk projects. So because it is a combination of waterfall and the iteration model. Next model is called as an Agile model. It plays an important role nowadays. So it emphasizes on flexibility, customer collaboration with a different environment, and rapid delivery. So popular methodology here they are using is Scrum, Kanban, then extreme programming languages to develop the new softwares. Advantages: customer focused, faster delivery, it based on the customer needs and customer feedback. Challenges: require skilled team, skilled team to develop the new softwares. Next, validation and verification. Waterfall model emphasizing testing at each stages. Benefit is high quality deliverable. Drawback is inflexible and cost for changes. So these are the comparison charts of the waterfall model, incremental model, agile model. We all know that waterfall is a well-defined model, incremental is a medium-sized model, agile model is a dynamic model. So both is based on the feedback. But waterfall model, initially they will get the feedback. Incremental model at the time of developing. Agile model is the same, but the skill needed for developing the agile model. So I conclude these. That is we may learn about a different software process model and its usage. Thank you.